Can you sear prime rib before cooking it at 225 degrees Fahrenheit?
Hello, food lovers and cooking enthusiasts. In today's video, we're discussing a delicious topic, prime rib. The question we're going to tackle is, can you sear prime rib before cooking it at 225 degrees Fahrenheit? We'll go over the benefits, techniques, and best practices to get that mouth-watering, restaurant-quality prime rib right in your home kitchen. Let's dive in.
What is searing?
First off, let's clarify what searing is. Searing is a technique used in cooking to brown the surface of food at high temperatures. It's often done before cooking the food at a lower temperature. The idea is that searing creates a flavorful crust that can enhance the overall taste and presentation of the dish. In short, yes, you can and should sear your prime rib before cooking it at a lower temperature.
How to sear prime rib?
So, how do you sear a prime rib? Here's a quick guide. 1. Preheat your skillet on high heat. 2. Season your prime rib with salt and pepper or your preferred spice blend. 3. Add a bit of high smoke point oil to your hot skillet. 4. Place the prime rib in the skillet and let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until a brown crust forms. Remember, you're not cooking the meat fully during this process. You're simply forming a tasty crust.
Cooking at 225 degrees Fahrenheit.
After searing, it's time to slow roast the prime rib. Here's a simple guide for cooking your seared prime rib at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. 1. Preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Place the seared prime rib in a roasting pan, bone side down. 3. Cook the prime rib for about 25 to 30 minutes per pound, or until the internal temperature reads 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. 4. Let the prime rib rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before carving to allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. So, to sum it all up, searing your prime rib before slow roasting it is a fantastic way to enhance flavor and create a delectable crust. It's a simple technique that can elevate your dish from good to great. Remember to monitor your prime rib's internal temperature to ensure a perfect roast. I hope this guide is helpful to you on your culinary journey. Enjoy your delicious prime rib, and happy cooking!